So we were getting inspired by Rambha's fits in Chronic Bachelor and making one for myself. This is what we started with, now gathering the dress left over for the pants with running stitches and placing them over the denim legs. Then we attached them and cut off the hand stitches. Now I'm not impressed yet, so
time to spice it up.
I'm using some material from this top that I don't use anymore to increase the length of the pants. Now before getting to the final touches, let's make a flower for the top. Cut out 2 strips, attach them lengthwise, hand stitch gathering, and now you can watch me turn it into a cute flower. There you go. Now I tried a few positions for the flower and ended up with this. Stitched it on and voila! Now for the pants, cut out 2 similar strips, attaching them here at the thigh after gathering of course. Great output, the other leg and finally closing up the inseams. And reveal!